This is how I got the bird sounds for this project. I went to buy a analog bird IC chip speaker thing, and after listening to it, I didn't really like the feeling of the sound I was getting because it just felt like I was trying to generate a fake bird. So I decided, fuck it, I'm just gonna go outside and record actual birds since there are so many like birds around. Yeah, and then I did that, and then I put it into my sampler, and then I played with the scatter effect, which kind of helped me get that digital chirp sound that I wanted from the original actual bird chirp. So yeah, that's how I got the bird sounds for this project. Yay!